One of my mom tips starts before we even head to the park. I like to pack some of our favorite snacks, and obviously we want to bring our refillable cup and then just some water, so that way when we're walking around and if the kids are a little bit hungry, we have some snacks ready to go. Another tip I'd give parents is bring some sort of stroller or wagon for the kids to ride in, because there's a lot of walking, and this is just a nice, easy way to have them take a break and get around quickly. Okay, one of my mom tips is when you first get into Dollywood in the main entrance, if you take a left, there's a ride height measuring center. So we're gonna get their heights measured, and then we'll be able to know what rides they can and can't go on. Okay, so we got our bracelets, and now we've got a little chart of what rides we know we can for sure go on. Right here to the right of the main entrance, there's some family restrooms, so if you need to take the kids pretty quickly when you get into the park, this is always a nice option over here. To the right of the main entrance, you can find the park maps and show schedules, but I would suggest before you go downloading the Dollywood app, and you'll be able to look through all the different ride options and food options and give everybody in the family a chance to figure out what they want to do on the day of your visit to Dollywood. Another great area of Dollywood is going to be Wildwood Grove for the kids. There's a lot of cool rides and kid-friendly snacks. And you can meet some fun characters like Flutter. Another important thing to note for parents, if you forget anything, like I forgot sunblock today, they usually have it around in any of the stores typically around Dollywood. You can go ahead and get that, or just don't forget it in the first place like me. Another great spot for parents with little ones is going to be over here at the Country Fair. They've got a lot of neat rides and some carnival games. The Spotlight Bakery is probably one of our family's favorite spots to stop. They've got treats for everybody, and there's always going to be something really yummy in there that any kid will most likely love.